Hi, where am I? There. This is an opportunity for Blender add-on developers, Blender creators. What I'm doing is I'm selling the blenderaddons.org website. And why is that interesting? Well, this website exists since 2019. I worked quite a lot on it. There are a few people who make articles, so you don't have to do everything yourself. So it has already a network, and if you look, let's go to Google, you type in Blender addons, and you see Blender Market is on top, but if you scroll down, you see that Blender addons is the third link. You can try it in incognito, and I believe it gives the same result. Why is this interesting? It works pretty well when you have a YouTube channel, so I suggest you do this. So if you want to sell more of your products, you have a YouTube channel. Oh, yeah, I'm painting with my mouse. YouTube channel, and you have your website, and you connect those together. So there's a website, Blender addons, and what you do is you post a YouTube video, and in the video you tell, if you want more details, check the link in the subscription, then you will see the article with all the details, so you can read it back. Also in this case, if you want to know more about, if you are interested in blenderaddons.org, then click on the link in the subscription, and then you will see the article with details. And you have things like Facebook groups, Facebook page, and so you post that as well, so you make an article. Also LinkedIn, you post on LinkedIn. LinkedIn has groups as well, and other social media. I'll call it SM for now. And at the same time, you make articles on social media telling that you have a YouTube video. So the YouTube channel and the article, they work together. So visitors go to your article, and people on your website go to YouTube. And at the end of the article or YouTube video, there's a call to action, and I will do that as well. So, and then this website, you can monetize. How to monetize it? Well, you don't put advertisements like this. Let me check, like this one. You don't do that. Instead, you link to your own products. So I have a few products I created myself. So EV. So you can make articles of your own products and put that over there. And this website, I will show some stats. I do later more. So this is per month, and you see last month it has almost 25,000 visitors. We will check some more stats later on. And why is this website interesting? Because it gives a value about free Blender add-ons, and everyone is interested in free stuff. So that's how it works. So that's how you attract people, your audience, I mean. So that is what is in it for you. So that's the use of having this website. Yeah, and why do I sell it? Why? That's a bit a sad story. There are two reasons. There's a family circumstance. One family member is quite manipulative, and another family member is on the autistic spectrum. And the family is quite dysfunctional. And since a few months, I try to fix it. It's very hard because you cannot change people. But somehow I tried to save the family. I did a lot of things like counseling, read books, tutorials, course about autism. I even followed a course here, like this one, CBT level 3. Also a course in counseling level 3 and mindfulness. I went to the doctor. All kind of charities I call up. So that's really a lot of work, and I think I don't have time to dive into Blender that much. And I'm interested in helping other people, mentally, people who have the same situation as me. Another reason why I quit a little bit with Blender is that I had a fear of missing out. So what's the problem with Blender? Blender has so much possibilities. Because it has so much possibilities, it's hard to be productive. And so I decided, okay, and then I just use a few things. I focus only on box modeling and only on texturing for no shading. Let's do that, and I forget the rest. But yeah, then I open Blender. I try to do that, but I don't feel super lucky. I think it's a bit too much for me. I'm also 56. I think maybe I'm looking for someone else who can take this over. Someone. Who has a good connection with the Blender community, and I'm looking for someone with the same vibe. Alright, so that's why I sell it. And now, how do we do that? Well, this is hosted on SoundCloud, but that doesn't matter actually where you want to have the website hosted. It can be anywhere, but I recommend SiteGround. I have good experience with that. And then I will provide you the files and the database, and if you then open a WordPress website, then you can import that, but you have to contact your web hosting provider. I had a chat with them, so I opened the chat here. You can see my email. I have nothing to hide. Let's see, you have a chat here. So the new client creates a SiteGround account. It can be any web hosting provider, and then I can migrate the files. Let's see, is there anything else? Oh yes, this is amazing guy. I was member on Patreon, CEB Studios, and I said, yeah, unfortunately due to family circumstance I have to stop being Patreon. And I explained the situation a bit and said, oh yeah, I can give you 2 refunds of the latest one, and let me know if I can do anything for you. So very nice guy. Yeah, you see that I'm applying for jobs related to autism. I hope I can get the job. Alright, so that is how. Alright, yeah, if I have on SiteGround, you see this around new media supply. Yeah, the domain and web hosting, I just pay like 188, and my plan is to sell the the website for $1,850. That's way too low, because the website, if you check it, it is worth. Where is it? Okay, yeah. Estimate. I used a flipper to estimate the value of Blender addons.org. It's I filled in the details, and then it says this. And here I see I could sell it for this price, but I don't know how reliable that is. So yeah, I start with 1,850, but I would check if I can get more. Then I try that, but that depends also on yeah, who is buying it, because I want that the Blender addons.org website is in good hands. So I take a look at that as well. So that's how we can use it, how we can transfer it, and when. That has to be before June the 12th, because on the 14th it will end the web hosting. So it has to be done approximately before 12. I'll show you some stats. So you can see here 7-day highlights. I had 5,300 visitors. Views a bit more, because if you have a visitor, they check more websites. Likes seems not to work at the moment. Well, not in this jetpack. We can check that maybe later. So where do I get my traffic from? Search engines, and the next one is YouTube. But search engine works very well. And the most visitors are from the US, then India, Russia, France, Germany. What do people click to? They end up at GitHub, blenderartist.org, Blender Market. So that's a little bit of the stats. Next one. Yeah, so I suggest, if you are interested, you can go to Twitter. Twitter, you look for New Media Supply, or this one at New Media Supply altogether, or you can go to, this is the best way, so you follow me and then you send me a message. YouTube is not a good idea to add a comment here, because sometimes I don't see it, but Twitter is the best way, because I check it every day. Alternatively, you can go to the website, I think, and then yeah, there will be an article later on, and you can reply on that, but I don't recommend that one. So if you have questions, let me know. Best is at Twitter. So, alright. Thanks for watching, and I hope the website will be in good hands very soon. Alright, thanks for watching.